Good morning guys, it is a beautiful day here in Dalat. Sun is shining, gleaming actually, and it's so cool. It reminds me of the weather back in New Zealand. I just checked the app, it's about 20 degrees, which is perfect. I'm going for a walk around the lake here. Need to get some organic treadmill walking, and I will throw the drone up and get some fly cam shots for you guys of this beautiful city here in Dalat, Vietnam. Hey, check that out. Dalat. Check that out guys. Beautiful view of the lake here in Dalat, Vietnam. I'm gonna go for a walk right around the lake. Fountain vibes. We're heading back up to that cone looking thing that we saw yesterday, and I'm going to launch the drone up there, the fly cam, and some more little fountainy type things here. Definitely has got a bit of touch of French to it. Anyway guys, it's about 8:30 a.m. in the morning here in Dalat, and it is way cooler. If I never mentioned it before, I will again. It is way cooler than pretty much anywhere else that I have been to in Vietnam. It's about 22 degrees and the sun is shining, which is the main thing. Anyway, let's head up here and launch that drone and take some beautiful aerials of the lake here in Dalat, Vietnam. Good to check out the lake, breakfast time. Anyway guys, I'm heading to go and have some breakfast, then I need to go and hire and rent a motorbike. I want to go and check out this waterfall. I think the water will be brown, they've had a bit of rain, but nonetheless, I want to go and check it out anyway. Alright, so I hired a motorbike from this place here. This is the motorbike. Time to hit the road around Dalat and check out some of the vibes. Just starting to drizzle. I'm going to chuck the poncho on. I'm heading to one of the waterfalls near Dalat city. Hopefully it's just a drizzle and no thunderstorms today. It was fine this morning, but now just a little drizzle. Alright guys, so I made it here to Datanla waterfall, which is this direction. Just went and parked up the motorbike. Got a ticket, a couple of bucks. Okay. Thank you. Xin chào. Here we go, the waterfall. Apparently there's a roller coaster as well, but alright guys, gonna grab a ticket for the roller coaster down. 60,000, which is a couple of bucks. Alright, so thought I'd give it a try. So we're gonna go down on this little roller coaster thing guys to the waterfall. Check this out guys. We're on the roller coaster. Woo! Okay. Check that out. Yeah, boy. Whoa. I am huddled up under some shelter with some friends from China. Ni hao. And we are all here at the waterfall. This is Datanla waterfall in Dalat, Vietnam. Not too bad. on the bridge. There's the waterfall. And here's the bridge. Alrighty. Waterfall was okay. Reminds me of Hunua back in South Auckland, New Zealand. Actually, I think Hunua is a bit bigger. Anyway, guys. This is the awesome track that goes right up to the top of the hill, nearly towards the end of it, I think. This track is the bomb. $5, and you can ride on this awesome ride. Come back up amongst all these trees here. I think they're pine trees. Morning, guys. It is my last day here in Dalat. I am heading to a lake nearby. Gonna go and check it out and see if we can get some good aerial views from the fly cam. It's a beautiful day here in Dalat though. Alright guys, we are down here at Tuyen Lam Lake, Dalat. Beautiful day. Bit of a temple at the top of the hill. Just walked up from the lake. Not too bad. Looks a little Japanesey, if even that's a word. But you had to dress in long trousers, or dress if you're a woman. Sort of like Thailand. That's not bad, man. Not too bad. Heaps of people taking selfies. I see why they're taking selfies near this fountain type thing. Interesting. Anyway guys, it is time to check out of Dalat, catch a bus to Nha Trang, and then from Nha Trang I'm going to head on up to Ving City again. I'll probably stay the night in Nha Trang and tomorrow make my way back up to Ving City. It's been beautiful here in Dalat. Wish I had more time, but I've done some meditation and I have checked out the waterfall, lake, tasted some of the goodness here in Dalat. It is beautiful.